Hi students, welcome back to my channel 90 Degree, and today we'll be learning what are linear equations in two variables. Before starting this, if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel because I make short videos on important topics which will help you to understand maths in a very easy way. So let's start this. Before understanding linear equations in two variables, let us understand what is an equation. So, a mathematical statement with at least one variable and equal to sign. So, an equation is a mathematical statement with at least one variable and an equal to sign present in it. Understood? Moving forward, let us see some examples over here. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it an equation? Y plus 3 is equal to 0. What they are asking, is it an equation? X square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it an equation? Y square plus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. Is it an equation? There are some examples given over here. So again, x plus y is equal to 5. Is it an equation? 3x plus 5y is equal to 9. Is it an equation? Yes, all these examples are what? They are equation because it is a mathematical statement where there are variables present in it and also it has an equal to sign over here. So all these examples are what? They are equations. Moving forward, linear equations. What is a linear equation? Now we will understand what are linear equations. An equation with degree 1. So the degree of the equation should be 1. That is the highest power of the variable. So the highest power of the variable should be what? 1. Variables are what? Alphabets. Understood? So this is x raised to 1. See this in the example over here. See this. Y raised to 1. See this, huh? Now this is again what? X raised to 1, y raised to 1. Again 3x raised to 1 and 5y raised to 1. See this. See these examples. Huh? Two variables. Now what they are saying, there should be two variables. Okay. See here there was only one variable in this. Okay. See this. Huh? Let us observe these equations. X plus y is equal to 5. 3x plus 5y is equal to 9. So this is an example of linear equations in two variables because the power of the variable is what? 1. The highest power of the variable is what? 1 and there are two variables present in it. Moving forward, let us see the standard form of linear equations in two variables. Two variables. So there should be two variables. That is x and y. There should be coefficients. Now coefficients are what? Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So A and B are the coefficient. So this is the standard form of linear equations in two variables. That is ax plus by is equal to c. C is what? The constant. Now there are some conditions over there. See this. A, B, C are what? Real numbers. So this A, B and C are what? They are real numbers. Now real number is what? It is a combination of what? Rational and irrational numbers. Where my A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0. So this is the standard form of linear equation, that is ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, c are what? Real numbers and where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Understood? तो linear equations in two variables क्या होता है? मतलब ऐसा टाइप का equations जिसमें दो variables होता है और उसका जो highest power रहेगा वो 1 रहेगा और उसका जो standard form ax plus by is equal to c, जहाँ पर a, b and c are what? वो सब रियल नंबर्स है. रियल नंबर्स मतलब क्या? जो कॉम्बिनेशन है रैशनल एंड इरैशनल नंबर, और उसमें भी कंडीशन ये है कि मतलब जो मेरा ए है और मेरा जो बी है वो नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होना चाहिए. ऐसा टाइप के इक्वेशंस को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स. सो दीज आर द मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग व्हाट? लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स. The first one is elimination by substitution, then elimination by equating the coefficients, then comes Cramer's rule, and then comes graphical method. So if you are in 9th standard, you will be learning elimination by substitution and elimination by equating the coefficients. तो आप अगर 9th standard के student हो तो कैसा है कि मतलब आपको elimination by substitution और elimination by equating the coefficient पढ़ना है, और अगर आप 10th standard में हो तो ये आपको चारों methods करना है. समझा आपको? Yes. So in this chapter, we will be solving these linear equations in two variables by different methods of linear equations and will be finding out the solutions, that is the value of x and y. तो हम लोग ये चैप्टर में क्या करने वाले हैं, मतलब ये जो लीनियर इक्वेशंस है इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे और इसका जो सॉल्यूशंस है एक्स एंड वाई वो हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे। ये चैप्टर आपको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करना है क्योंकि इसमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है। अगर आपको अलजेब्रा में आउट ऑफ चाहिए 40 आउट ऑफ 40 तो आपको ये जो चैप्टर है वो बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना होगा। ये जो चैप्टर है लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स, ये 9th में भी है 10th में भी है। 9th में इसका बेसिक्स है, उसमें भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है और कैसा है कि उसमें सिर्फ 2 मेथड्स है। और 10th में आपको कैसा है कि थोड़े एडवांस लेवल पे, मतलब आपको कैसा है कि मतलब उसमें भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है एंड देन कैसा है कि आपको 4 मेथड्स है उसमें सॉल्व करने के लिए। I hope students you must have understood what are linear equations in two variables. This is one of the most very important chapter because this contains word problems, and if you want to score 40 out of 40 in algebra, you should have lot of practice on this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.